So I am sure you all are aware that social media is just as important as your organization's website nowadays when it comes to online presence. The beautiful thing about social media is that it gives you yet another avenue to creatively tell your organization's story while increasing awareness and reach of your organization's mission. However, unlike your website, social media allows you to foster community with your followers, opening the door to endless possibilities. And the best part is that it's free. So let's talk about the audience. Understanding who your audience is will serve as the compass in this ever-changing social media landscape. For messages to have an impact, they need to be translated into clear and relevant language understood by each of your unique audience types. So you have to ask yourself, who are you engaging? So although you'll want to cater to every single person or group, it's ideal that you limit your audience type to the amount that is feasible to consistently maintain. So if you have multiple audiences as listed on the screen, you want to make sure that if you're going to cater to all four of these audience types or how many ever you have, that you can consistently maintain this audience groups. And the reason you want to segment and minimize the groups you're catering to in your strategy is to avoid watering down your messaging and spreading yourself too thin. So once you identify who your audience is, it's crucial to meet them where they are. So the first being Facebook. Facebook is the number one go-to hub for nonprofits because you get the best of both worlds. You get to foster community and engagement. It's also the most widely used, and it's an excellent place to share events, your fundraising, your images, your videos, and your text. Next, Twitter. Twitter ranks second because of its immediate and concise medium for disseminating information. So with Twitter, you can use it for updates, those discussions, and of course, interacting with the media. And then when it comes to Instagram, I like to consider Instagram Facebook Junior because it's owned by Facebook and they have a lot of the similar features. But one big difference is that Instagram is highly visual. So this is perfect for your photos, your videos, and those impactful narrative captions. And with the emergence of IG stories and reels, you're able to showcase bite-sized video clips. Lastly, LinkedIn is incredibly impactful because it's designed specifically for professional networking. If you prefer to connect with donors or businesses interested in expanding their philanthropic efforts, or even submit your position as a thought leader, this will be the best platform for you. So as I mentioned with your audience types, some people may think that the more platforms that you're on, the greater your social media success will be. But on the contrary, you may be doing your organization a disservice by trying to juggle more than you can handle. So regardless of the platforms that you occupy, it's best that you do not fall into the urge of trying to be on every single site, but instead cultivate and nurture the ones that your audiences are actually on.